Okay, Jack. Why don't you show your grandma and your papa how much you love your present? Yeah, you love it? Do you love it? Look at the lights. Here, let's turn it on again. Look. He loves it. He was chewing on it earlier. Can we make it go again? Can we make it go again? What are you doing? Are you eating it? You're eating it? You are? Ooh. What do you see? Do you love it? You do? You want me to get it going again? Ooh. Yeah. You like that car, huh? Excited to wear your new Christmas outfit? Are you? Ooh. Do you see the lights on it? You see all the lights on it? Huh? You do? What's it doing? Let me see the lights. Ooh. He just wants to eat it. Say thanks. 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 Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Oh, show how big you are. You're a big boy. All right. Say thank you. One more time. One more time. Yeah. Uh-huh. Are you talking to it? You are? Ooh. Okay, one more time because you're having so much fun. Let me see. Talk to it again. Are you making the same noise? You want to make that noise again? Okay. Do it again, Jack. Okay. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks. Thanks. We love our G-Mon, our Papa. Yes, we do. Can you give a big smile? Can you? Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.